Okay, so in this box I had the Yushin 5x5, some replacement stickers, and of course the Cubicle business card. So this is just my favorite color scheme because I know that the Yushin stickers aren't particularly my favorite, and I just decided to get those to stick on it because I'm expecting this to be my main. This cube has a lot to live up to for me because the Yushin 4x4 is my main and the Yushin 3x3 is my backup main. So this has a lot to live up to, I guess you could say. The box is pretty cool. It's a little bit opened, but it can close. It's nice plastic, and here is the puzzle in here. Looks pretty dirty, like it's got a bunch of stuff on it, but that's not too big of a deal. Let's go ahead and take it out. Wow. The cube itself is really light. Wants to move around a bit. Actually has more of a motion. Holy cow! So, yeah, I'd say that I wanted to move around a little more than just a bit.